Hello world and welcome to my channel. I wanted to start this channel to help lift and inspire others. These videos are just me doing what I love to do and really hoping that others can feel good in their own skin too. I really want to convey a message. It's important to me to be you, be free, and be happy. If you guys can help me out and show me some love in the comments section below. Also, if you can hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, I would be so thankful if you can pop back on, see the new content that I'll be putting out each week. I look forward to it. Thanks, guys. Love. Hi, all. My name is Kathy. I'm here to share with you an easy weekday hair tip trick tutorial. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to put your hair in a high pony with multiple braids to give you a look that lasts for not just one day, 2, 3, as many days as you need it to until you take it out. And then once you take it out, you have another style. So let's get into it. You start with wet hair right out of the shower. Now me, I have extra long hair past my boob, so this is going to be a great hairstyle for somebody with long hair. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and get that in a high pony. So for me, it's easier for me to just put my head back to start it. Want to make sure you don't have any lumps in there. So go ahead and get that up. Once you have that up, then you can continue to just smooth it out. Smooth it out. I like a high pony. This look works really good with high ponies, but it also can work with something like a lower pony. Now you're going to want to make sure you have no knots in this because you're doing braids. So it's not just a pony and leave it. It's a pony and then we're doing something with it. So once you have your desired height and you have it as smooth as you can get it, if you need to re-wet your hair, you can always do that. So mine is looking good here. I'm going to go ahead and tie it off with just a regular elastic. I like to do it pretty tight. So once you have that done, your high pony, you can go ahead and then section your hair out. So we're going to section into 3 braids. So I'm going to pre-section this just so I know what I'm doing when it comes time to put the braids in. Now you want them to all be pretty similar in size so that they look symmetrical. And then also the fun thing that I mentioned to you, that you have a hairstyle after a hairstyle, is once you've worn this for a couple of days, you actually can take your braids out and rock a crimp in a pony, which is a super cute, versatile way to reuse, you know, something cute that you've already had. The hair stays really well in the braid, and it looks great when you take it out. So we're gonna go ahead and just start braiding. So you wanna make this tight and just go ahead through. You want your hair to be very combed out. If you have any knots or kinks, it's going to show. Smoother, the better. Now you just wanna get it to as long as your longest pieces with keeping everything symmetrical for your 3 braids. So me, I'm not going to bring it all the way down. On this one, it looks like, you know, I have some length, but the others will be different because I have angles and layers. So you just get your little clear elastic, your black elastic, whatever you have. Go ahead and give that a tie off. So we have one done. Now we're gonna go ahead with the other. I like to save the middle for the last, so it feels a little knotty. Now another cool thing is, if your pony didn't come out quite the way you would like it to, when you're done with your braids, you just go ahead and fix it. Add some water, some gel, some mousse, whatever your potion is,
and get it as smooth as you need it to be. So once I have these 3 done, like I said, this is great for if you're going to do sports, or if you just can't have that hair in your face, but you're looking for something sleek and, you know, a little edgy and beautiful that you're not going to see on everybody. This is going to be your go-to. So easy. I do it about once a week. I love it. It's really not a lot of thought that goes behind it. You just know what you're doing. You go in, braid them, and then put your elastic. And then you move on to your third. Your third one, comb that out. Now you want to braid the direction that you want your braids to go in. So you don't want to braid straight up in the air. Your braid is going to kind of stick that way. So for me, I kind of braid off to the side since it's a back position one, and then it'll lay a little bit more flat for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get that one done. Nice and tight. Now if you would like, you can always add some sea salt spray or some mousse in here. So when you do take your braids out, if you wanted to wear them out in a pony, you have a little bit more texture, volume, stay to them. So that part is pretty cool that you can change that up. So then I'm going to go ahead and grab my last elastic, my little clear guy here, get this in. Now, finished product, you have your 3 beautiful braids. So this is something if you wanted to go out to the gym, if you wanted to go out for a lunch date. It's a beautiful look. It's very playful. If you wanted to go ahead and do more with it, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. So play with it, have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit that like button, subscribe, pop in to see more videos. If you want to see something more, maybe a makeup tutorial, I'll be on next time. Thanks again.